creators. Today we are going to do your pet fish. Now, in your package that came home, you have a Ziploc bag that has on it my pet fish instructions. So the first thing you're going to do is take out your piece of paper that has your fish traced on it, and we're going to color it. But when we color it, we're going to make a pattern. Miss Ann has chosen 2 colors, and you guys need to choose 2 colors to color. I chose orange and yellow. So I'm going to start at the head of the fish, and I'm going to do yellow on my fish first. So we'll color up until the first squiggly line. I'll show you in just a second what we're going to do. Okay, so look, see, my first color is yellow, and then my second color I'm going to do is going to be orange. So I'm going to color inside the line there, and I'm going to color orange. So now we're going to do a pattern. Yellow, orange. What color do you think comes next? Yep, yellow. So I'm going to color it yellow. So we'll color it yellow here. Okay, so now we have yellow, orange, yellow. What comes next? Orange, correct. So remember, when you do your fish, you take your 2 colors and color for the first 2, and then you make a pattern. So it's yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow. Good job. I do yellow. And then I'm going to color my fins orange. And you can color yours either one of the 2 colors that you're going to color your fish. Okay, I'll show you here. See Miss Ann's fish? And now we're going to cut it out. So get your scissors. Remember, thumb up to the ceiling. And we're going to cut our fish out. Okay. Cut fishy out. And then the last thing we're going to do to fish after we cut him out is give him a eye. And if you want, you can put a smile on your fish if you want. Because fish can either smile or go, okay? So take your black marker or crayon, and I'm going to make 1 black smile. All right, my fish is done. Now, let's get our bag with the rest of the things. Now, you each got an ocean wave, blue piece of paper, and then you got some seagrass to put in your ocean. So you take your seagrass out. Should be some strips of green paper that look like leaves. Okay? We're going to glue those down onto our paper. Okay? So put those down on there. All right. Put your seagrass down. And Miss Ann will show you. See? See? Seagrass? Okay, now you're going to take that, pull out your bag of cornmeal that we're going to use as our sand and your instruction sheet. And we're going to put the blue paper back into the plastic bag, like so. See? And then, with your cornmeal, Mommy can help you. Mommy or Daddy can help you. We're going to cut a little slit in our bag. Just like that. That will let cornmeal out. And we're going to dump that into our bag. Put that there. We'll go into the bottom of our bag. Get it all in there, all out of your little bag. Into your, there we go. See, boys and girls, see the sand on the bottom? Now you just add your fish. Look. And then zip it together so none of the sand comes out. And make sure you have a name for your fish, okay? So make sure you name your pet, okay? And I'll see you again. Thanks, creators.